Hey guys, this is Kaushal Kumar. I'm the number one best-selling author, trainer, and coach. And today I want to talk to you about states. So state is very important for people because the way you do something on daily basis is the way you are the state which you are in. Okay, so you'll find that sometimes you are happy and sometimes you are sad. Sometimes you are performing at your peak and sometimes you are not. Like loving your work and sometimes so your states keep changing every 30 minutes, every hour. Okay, and it's all about everybody. Okay, so how you can manage your state and how you can become whatever you want to, whatever state you want to be. Is it possible? Yes, it is very much possible, but you must need to follow certain techniques and tools time to time. Then only it will work. If you just go and say that whatever it is, let me do it, it is not going to work. So how you can change your state immediately? How you can change your state immediately? So for changing your state, all you need to do is you need to decide. So right now maybe you are feeling lazy. So if you want to feel active, what you need to do? You can stand tall, you can smile, and you can deep breathe. Okay, if you just do these three things, you can change your state. So if you want to feel confident, then what you need to do? The same thing. You need to stand tall, you need to deep breathe, and you need to have a small smile on your face. You can feel confident. So basically, you change your your body, you change your breathing, and you change the way you are thinking. You change the way you are perceiving. So you can you can stand tall, you can deep breathe and smile at the same time. Start telling yourself that I am feeling confident, I am feeling super awesome, let me do whatever I want to do. And you will be able to do that because it's all about the decision you take. So all you need to do is on daily basis, on 10 time, on every day 10 time, what you have to do is immediately whatever you're doing, try to change your state. So whatever state you are in, don't care, but think that I want to be confident right now, and feel yourself be becoming confident. Just stand tall, breathe deep, and smile, and say that I'm feeling confident, and you will start feeling confident. So sometimes you say that I want to feel happy. Stand tall, stand tall and deep breathe, at the same time smile and say that I want to feel happy. You will start feeling happy. And this is the way you can train your mind to change your state immediately. Okay, and if you do this, then definitely you will see that you will build a habit to change your state whenever you want, and you can do it again and again. Okay, all you need to do is for certain days you need to practice changing your state immediately. Okay, so right now if you want to feel happy, how you can feel? Stand tall, smile, deep breath, and say that I'm feeling happy, and you will feel happy for sure. So whatever state you want to go, choose whatever state you want to practice. Confidence, happiness, powerful, cheerful, friendly, whatever you can choose. Make a list of the state you want to experience on a regular basis, and then you just tell to yourself, stand tall, and start telling whatever you want to feel, breathing deep and slow, smiling, and saying whatever you want to do, that as if you are already, that person. And you'll see that the things are happening and your states will change immediately, and you will be able to perform better at whatever you do. Okay, so change your state rapidly and whenever you want to. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel because you will get tons of knowledge like this here, which can change your core of your future and your life.